Hey up, I'm Nott'm lass, and today I'm at Bestwood Country Park with Deb, and it's only 10 minutes from Nottingham city centre. The park has 650 acres of varied landscape, wildlife and industrial heritage. Basically, it used to be a coal mine. Wouldn't it be nice to live here, backed onto a beautiful park? Jealous? So I just thought I'd let you know about how I keep warm during the winter season. Now, it's taken me 3 years to become, equipped for winter hikes. I've always used to wear my skinny jeans. I look quite big now because I've got quite a lot of layers on. I'll just give you a quick run through of my winter wear. So I've got my nice jacket on here, but I'll just take that off. This is my usual Canadian baseball jacket. But underneath, I look kind of weird, don't I? Got my base layers on, OEX base layers, OEX waterproof trousers, and underneath here, I won't take them off, that's kind of weird, got my OEX base layer trousers on, and I can't tell you how warm I am right now. It's just amazing. I've also got my new vegan high-tech trainers on. These are waterproof, very, very nice trainers, and that's what I've got to say about that, really. Yeah. Also, I'd just like to say that the base layers that I have got on are made from bamboo, recycled bamboo. I mean, how amazing is that? I'll put the links to all these things that I've got on in the description box. Go and check them out. Definitely worth it. Very, very warm. My New Year's resolution is to reach 100,000 subscribers on YouTube. Is it possible? We shall see. So it's taken a lot of attempts to try and find this lake today. We've been in the car about 3 times, trying to find it. We had to ask locals, we can't read the map properly, we didn't want to walk either, but we found it, and look at it, it's great, isn't it? So that has been our trip to Bestwood Country Park. With the 3 highlights were the nice woodland walk, very, very peaceful. I love woods. Second was the Colliery, which is also amazing. It's great to see a bit of history. And then last but not least, the wonderful Mill Lakes. How beautiful. I bet it's nice in the summer with blue skies and stuff. But overall, a great walk today. Totally recommend it. Would you come here? Comment below. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.
I'm fed up with changes. Come pick me up, cause I just wanna see the light. I wanna be weightless. Teach me to fly, I won't be coming down. Could somebody wake me up? I don't wanna be here and let the world pass me by. Yeah, I just see your face where